Hello there. Today's book is Cats Don't Like Dinosaurs by Andy Wertlock, illustrated by Nahum Ziersch. Let's get started. It's time for us to sneak behind these prehistoric doors, so you can get a glimpse of why cats don't like dinosaurs. To start, let's meet Triceratops. He's hidden in the thorns. Is that a beak? And look at those 3 sharp and pointy horns. Next, we have the Stegosaurus. Wow, she loves her greens. Brussels sprouts? Yuck. No thank you, I'll stick with my sardines. A dinosaur that looks like me. Though now I'm not so sure. Are they big teeth outside his face?
I'm not a dinosaur.
Now that was close. It's time to sail to Plesiosaurus now. They love to swim in oceans deep. Not me, no way, ciao. The name's Tyrannosaurus Rex. So listen, here's the thing. Despite my teeny tiny claws, in this world I'm the king. I'm glad I packed my bag for this. It's Diplodocus time. Her net goes on. And on. And on. It takes so long to climb. Ankylosaurus, strong and brave, look at all her armor. So do not try and battle her, or else there'll be some drama. Pterodactyls, are they birds? They're hard to catch, I tried. I'm getting tired, let's head back home, hold on, we'll grab a ride. There's stinky breath, and pointy teeth, and what about the noise? Cats don't like dinosaurs, unless they're soft and cuddly toys. The end. If you haven't done already, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.